Hello guys, very good morning to everyone. So dear friends, we are on a tour today and we are going to Gopalpur. I had not started my blogging. Hey, come man. Now I started my blogging. You see. Hello guys.
Hello guys.
So we have stopped here sometime at Hotel Sai Kripa. We'll have a small tiffin here, then we will go ahead. Let's see the atmosphere here, what is going on. It's much noisy, yeah. Our crew is enjoying beautiful Odia delicacies. This is our crew member. Hey, hello guys. So many times you have mocked me, right? You say right now, hey guys. This is our entire team. Say hi, man. You were shouting at me.
Yeah, I like your. Hello, guys.
You like vlogging, right? Oh man, take a look here. You always been telling me, na?
Sir, he is inspired.
Thank you, Allah.
He is inspired by you.
Get it finished soon. Get it finished soon. We have very sweet, very nice sweet is there. We'll take. Chanapuro. My friend is still enjoying. These people latecomer, right? Latecomer. Finish up. We'll be late. So guys, after the nice tiffin, we will again moving ahead to Gopalpur, and we hope that
Now, next destination is
Gopalpur, Berhampur. And then we will see some sites there. Then
Beach.
we will go to
Gopalpur
beach.
beach.
Hey man.
Yo, man, yo.
Thank you so much for the sweet. And okay,
Hello, guys.
so we are again.
Every journey should start with sweet. Ask a Bengali person.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
ओ बेटा जी अरे ओ बाबूजी किस्मत की हवा कभी नरम कभी गरम कभी नरम कभी गरम कभी नरम गरम ओ बेटा जी किस्मत की हवा कभी नरम कभी गरम कभी नरम कभी गरम कभी नरम गरम ओ बेटा जी
So hello guys, this is our first spot in our journey, and we have recently reached the Jowgarh Fort. Nothing much is known about this. I'm just leading you into the fort, and I hope we will get something there. Yeah, I'm get started. I'm started now. Okay. I will let you know something about here. Something have been written here. We just go to the board and read there. So guys, it's an historical fort. Maybe some it may be some remains of the royals people. This is the fort here. You know how fort was important in the ancient time. How the Rajas, the king used to protect their armies and people during the war time. So it's beautifully this is the port, okay. This is our troops. They're trying to know something here. You can see some writings on the hard surface. Those things are yet to be deciphered. Yeah. Most of the things have not yet deciphered. If it would be deciphered, then many more accounts place shall be known to us.
आयरन वाला उस पे देखना सेम आपके फॉन्ट दिखेगा.
It is supposed that these remains were existed during the British time, but here on the floor you can find some writings, but these are the writings of the modern human being. You know, this kind of writings are basically disturbing the exact history.
अब सर का एक ऐसा ले लो.
अरे नीचे कैमरा नीचे और
ऐसे रखिए कैमरा, सेल्फी स्टाइल.
आप लोगों का ही लेना है ना. आपका लेना.
So we are taking some beautiful photos out here with our colleagues. All are very, very enjoying. Oh my God! You see the scenery. How beautiful scene. You can find.
Sir, let me give you the historical background of this place, sir.
I don't know, sir. Can you?
Let me, sir. Let me allow.
Yeah.
Allow
of
me,
course.
sir.
Of course.
So this used to be a fort of,
Yeah.
not a fort, it's a military outpost. From this side you can see, with the camera. This side you can see the commanding view of this PUBG ground.
Oh,
This used to be the battlefield of Samrat Ashok.
That was the
this
sniper
was-
post.
This is the place where the Kalinga bloodbath took place.
Oh my
This
God.
is the place where the and you can see the pyramids of dead soldiers also from here.
So we know very less account about this historical place. Some places are there, such places are there many in Odisha where we have very little account, because most of the rock edits that have been found here that are yet to be deciphered, they are not discovered properly, and their language is something different. Okay, and we need to decode. Decode.
Please interview sir one of the villagers.
Which one, villager? Now we are returning back from the fort. Not actually a fort, it is some way used as a kind of protective place where the king used to assemble all his soldiers, troops, weapons all together. And I showed you there the vast stretch of land that was supposed to be battleground.
Hello guys.
ज्यादा हेलो गाइस सुबह का तो कैसे होगा यार, कुछ इसमें नोट दो. अच्छा ब्लॉग कैसे बनेगा नहीं तो. You know where you are going? What is your next destination?
Destination is Taratarani.
Taratarani. Trakshar. This is Almighty Jagannath. Oh, yeah.
Hello guys.
Almighty Jagannath. Painting have been there. Okay, छोटू भाई आपका तो क्यों नहीं लेंगे यार, आप हमारा कितना प्यारा भाई है. So there was very less account about this place. It was supposed to be a place where Emperor Ashok had acquired this place, and after that he went on so many rock edicts in which he has compiled all the kinds of rules and regulation that was prevail in his empire. This much about this place, and now we will go to our next destination. उसके बाद कौन सा जगह जाएंगे? कौन सा जगह?
Taratarani.
Then then we will go to Taratarani and Gopalpur sea beach. And sea beach is very, very interesting for us, and you will love to see there.
आ रहा है. हेलो गाइस का